Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable chat in chess.com. First of all, launch open chess.com application. You can see over here chess.com application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to enable the chat, it is actually very simple. For that, you'll have to access the settings. In order to do that, tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, after you do that, you'll be led to the more interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for settings and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for social and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings options related with social. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for allow game chat. Right now, nobody is selected. That means chat is disabled. So in order to enable it, tap on this option allow game chat. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find three options over here. Simply tap on this option everyone, or you can also tap on this option friends only. If you want only your friends to chat with you, tap on this option friends only, otherwise tap on the option everyone. Likewise, tap on this option who can message you. Now after you do that, again tap on the option everyone or friends only. Now after you do that, you can see over here the chat will be enabled. Now people will be able to chat with you. So that is how you enable chat in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.